Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get your Amazon gift card code from a reference ID. Whether you received a gift card via email or purchased one yourself, knowing how to locate that activation code is essential for adding credit to your Amazon account. Let's walk through the different ways you can find it. First, open your web browser and navigate to your email. This is typically where Amazon sends digital gift card information, so it's the first place you'll want to check. Once your email loads, open your inbox and look for the email containing your Amazon gift card. It's usually sent from Amazon with a subject line mentioning gift cards or a gift for you. Now, open that relevant email. Inside, you'll see details about your gift card, including the amount and who sent it. Look for a section labeled gift card details or something similar. Under this section, you'll find the reference ID along with the actual gift card code. The code is what you'll use to redeem the value on Amazon, so make note of it or copy it to your clipboard for easy pasting later. If you received a physical gift card instead of a digital one, the process is slightly different. On the back of the physical card, you'll notice a scratch panel, similar to what you'd find on a lottery ticket. Gently scratch off this panel using a coin or your fingernail. Beneath it, you'll reveal the gift card code. This code works exactly the same way as the digital version and can be entered into your Amazon account to add the balance. Alternatively, if you purchase the gift card yourself rather than receiving it as a gift, you can access the code through your Amazon orders. To do this, head over to Amazon.com and sign into your account. Once logged in, click on Returns and Orders at the top of the page. This will bring up a list of all your recent purchases. Scroll through your order history and locate the gift card purchase. Click on it to view the order details, and you'll find the gift card code listed there. This method is especially helpful if you can't locate the original email or if you bought the card for someone else and need to retrieve the code. So there you have it, 3 simple ways to access your Amazon gift card code, whether it was emailed to you, came on a physical card, or was purchased through your own Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.